Hello guys, Washerlad 2014 here, and today I'm at my work, and this is my work's personal washing machine, a Bosch Classixx 1000 Express Max. I'm currently washing on cotton 60. Max spin is 1000 RPM. Cotton 60 normal washing on. My work uses this machine to wash like dirty towels and rags, like I'm washing now. I know, yeah, I'm currently heating to 60 degrees. I am in a warehouse, it's always chaos. On the main wash. There's another Bosch dishwasher there. This is a decent machine for washing dirty towels. At least it's not like a new vest store or something like that. Belt slipping slightly. Right, I'll see you guys another time. Goodbye.